How to find out which app is causing pop-up ads on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So while using different applications on your Android device, there might be popping up of different ads from different devices or different apps over here. So what you can simply do is tap on the Chrome browser on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account over here and then tap on the three dotted lines and tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of site settings, so tap on site settings. Now scroll down again, and as you scroll down you'll be able to see the option of pop-up data over here or pop-up ads. So just tap on intrusive ads and just toggle off this option to make sure that you have blocked it. Then tap on pop-ups and redirect, so just tap on it and make sure that you have blocked this option. So as I've blocked this option, now you can just go back and then tap on the settings application. Now as you tap on settings application, scroll down to apps over here, and as you tap on apps, tap on manage apps. Here you'll be able to see the list of apps. Now if you want to remove or stop causing pop-up ads on Android, you simply have to select the app from which the ad is coming up. So just for example, if I'm going to select on the option of CapCut, I'm going to tap on CapCut and here you'll be able to see the option of force stop. So you can just tap on force stop and you'll be able to stop the pop-up ads to come up on your Android. You can also directly uninstall and get rid of all these pop-up ads. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.